Get excited about the 2016 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.